all 3 points. So point number 1, it is going to be the batch of 1 year where we will cover the current affairs from January 2026 till February 2027 live. Point number 1, 13-month current affairs is going to be live. October, November, December 2025, 3-month current affairs will be added in the form of video. So you will get total 15 month of current affairs in this batch, actually 16. तो 16 month का आपके पास इसमें current affairs आएगा in the one batch. Easily you will be able to cover it. Now 200 plus live classes है. हम start करेंगे banking awareness से. Then we'll go for insurance awareness, then financial market, in detail financial market, IPO, FPO, right issue, public issue, security markets क्या होते हैं, future markets क्या है, वो सारी चीजें आपके financial market में including FDI, FII and all relevant changes. Monthly topic wise current affairs हम इसमें cover करते हैं. So when we will start January month current affairs, तो January month current affairs we will be starting in the first week of Feb. पूरा month complete होगा, first week of Feb में हम अपना current affairs start करेंगे Jan का. What we will be doing, we will be segregating the topic. RBI circular, RBI news, it is going to be a separate topic. एक lecture होगा आपका अलग से, RBI circular part 1, part 2 detail, where I will explain you detailed version of all the circulars of RBI, SEBI, IRDAI. Then based on the detailed news, we will do one line MCQ, one line question revision. मतलब मैं आपको टॉपिक समझा दिया मैंने, फिर मैं आपको क्या करूंगा, वन लाइन क्वेश्चन दूंगा विदाउट ऑप्शन. ऑप्शंस नहीं होंगे एंड यू हैव टू आंसर. तो बट आप बोलोगे सर ये पैटर्न तो एग्जाम में आता नहीं है. Correct, this pattern doesn't come to the examination. This is the way how we can memorize and remember the current affairs for the longer term. So first we will see the detailed news, then we will revise in form of one line question and answer, and then we will be going for the exam level MCQs, where we will also follow the statement based question, that consider which of the following statement are correct based on this particular news, based on this particular circular. So you can actually prepare for from the RRB clerk examination till RBI grade B phase 1, जहां पर 80 marks का G आता है. Confidently I am telling you, you can attempt RBI grade B phase 1 exam also with the support of this batch. तो बीच के पूरे लिंक मिला लो, RRB clerk, RRB PO, IBPS clerk, IBPS PO, SBI clerk, SBI PO, and RBI grade B phase 1. LBOs are included. So this is what banking sector, including this batch will target on insurance awareness as well. So if you will be going for LIC AAO, NIACLAO, NICLAO or UIIC examination, insurance awareness will be covered within the batch. इसी में आपका insurance cover होगा.